and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing this thing here. So this is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from Dolce Vita. No, color is called Dolce Vita, so retry. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from NARS and the color is Dolce Vita. Nailed it! Anyway, if you want to see how I've created everything, which probably looks like a mess, but anyway, if you want to see how I've created everything else here before, so look at my Makeup Plus Medical Talk video, What is Blood, look at my Fenty Beauty highlighter video, look at my benefits, roller liner video, and look at my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara video. So I have created 4 videos to get to this, but I'm now gonna add a lip and it's gonna make it an even nice 5. Anyway, I'm gonna scoot you closer and let's put this on. So the pencil itself looks like this, and I'm not actually going to put anything on top of it. I'm just going to use it as a lip crayon. Really nice color, and I'm just going to use it as a lip color itself. Maybe a tiny bit of gloss on top, I don't know yet, so I'm just going to go in. So the coverage is really nice, the color is really nice. I like that it's matte, it's really easy to use. As you could see, I just swiped and there was already color. So I do like it. I think the color really suits me. I like it with the lip look, and I'm gonna zoom you out now, finish the whole look, and I will see you back soon. So this is the final look with a little bit of lip gloss being added just to make it sparkly, and also this nice choker. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas and I really do enjoy it. I like it. So, final thoughts. I actually really like the color, I like the way it goes on, and I enjoyed the whole thing. So if you have the money to buy it, do buy it. I like it, it has my seal of approval. So thank you for watching my little video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see the full look, be sure to check out the other ones as well. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again watching something else. So thank you and bye bye.